You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. If you want to learn more legal terms that are confusing, more vocabulary in English that is really hard, stay tuned, we have more videos for you. Let's break it down. There are two slightly different pronunciations, ever so slightly. Jewelry, that's the British English pronunciation. So you may have heard a bit of a diphthong, jewelry, or just simply the more American pronunciation, jewelry. Some may say jury as well, but it's normally more of an oo sound. Some pronounce it jury as well. It does exist. Jewelry or jury. Generally, jewelry is the pronunciation. Can you hear the small differences in the pronunciations here? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.